We have the DJI Mini 3 Pro in our hands. It feels so good. Let's unbox it together. There we go. It's tiny, I tell you what, it feels small, but that's what it's all about, isn't it? And then the controller. It's my third drone, and I've not flew a drone for a few years now actually. Wow, look at that. Look at that. How does that look? Kind of that big. Pretty cool, eh? Let's see the controller. Yeah. There we go. Look at that. What a beaut. What an absolute beaut. There we go. It does feel quite light, it's not heavy. You hold it like that. So I was thinking you hold it like that, but no, you hold it like this. An SD card in there as well, micro SD card. So you can record the footage from the flight, charge from USB-C, and yeah, this will take some getting used to. Feels really good, well made. We just got this in the box. You see the box is empty now. Cables and propellers. Here we've got a tool, so I want to do a bit of maintenance, probably for the propellers actually. Yeah, I want to replace the propellers, and we've got these propellers, the trusted USB-C to USB-C cable, and of course the small amounts of manuals. That's it. That is what's in the box. We push them 2 buttons and the battery comes out like that. Super light as well. That's how it looks. What do you think of that? So for the gimbal cover, just lift that up. But yeah, it's amazing. I'll make a video when I do my first flight, so we'll do that in a few days time.